Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the JW Marriott Desert Springs Resort and Spa. This 450-acre destination combines luxury with natural beauty as guests are treated to spectacular mountain and lake views that create a serene backdrop ideal for relaxation or special occasions. Additionally, the extensive family-friendly amenities ensure a memorable experience for all ages, from pools and outdoor activities to dining options suitable for everyone. I knew we were in for a treat upon entering the stunning atrium lobby with a beautiful lagoon as its backdrop.
Let's take a look at room 5198. Here at the JW Marriott Desert Springs. This is a two-queen room. So as soon as you walk into the left side is a nice bathroom. It has a rainfall shower. This is the toilet right here. A single sink vanity with a nice mirror. And it has a very nice bathtub. And it also has a bathrobe right here, which you can purchase one if you really like it. Let's take a look at the closet. So it has an ironing board, and another bathrobe. And here are the two queen beds. There's plugs in between the beds, so you don't have to worry about charging. There's a bunch of plugs right there. And there's a big screen TV. And this large space right here for storage. A couple of free water bottles. And here is the coffee and tea. Let's open this up. There's the coffee and tea. Actually, there is a fridge under this one. Let's see. There's the fridge. It's a small fridge. And a dining table for one. And a little lounging chair for one right there. Now let's take a look at our view. So our balcony has two chairs and a small table. And we have a view of the miniature golf course here. So that's a quick look at our two-queen room here at the JW Marriott in Desert Springs.
There's a wide variety of dining options to choose from, so let's take a quick look at what's available. Experience innovative cuisine crafted from the freshest local ingredients at Rockwood Grill, which is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Enjoy California bar bites and cocktails at Blue Star Lounge, which is open for lunch and dinner with live entertainment Fridays and Saturdays. Aquifer 65 and the Sushi Bar offer a sophisticated culinary experience with a focus on Japanese-inspired small plates and innovative craft cocktails. It's open daily from 4 to 10 p.m. Step into Mikado Japanese Steakhouse, which offers a unique blend of traditional Japanese flavors and modern culinary artistry. It's only open for dinner, and reservations are highly recommended. Known for its award-winning dishes, Fisherman's Landing showcases a delectable selection of freshly caught seafood paired with locally sourced produce. It's open for lunch and dinner. We had dinner here and the food was fantastic. This mixed seafood grill was perfectly seared with great flavor. The Fisherman's Pasta had plenty of seafood, which I really liked, and the fish tacos were large and filling. We recommend checking out Fisherman's Landing if you get the chance. And of course, There's a Starbucks by the lobby if you want to grab a quick bite and have a drink to start off your morning. The Oasis Pools offer a relaxing and luxurious experience with multiple pools set in a stunning desert landscape. These pools are perfect for cooling off under the sun, enjoying a refreshing swim, or simply lounging poolside. Plenty of cabanas are available for reservation for guests looking for a more luxurious experience. Poolside service is available with refreshing drinks and light bites from Oasis Poolside Bar and Grill and the Pool Bar. For a more quiet and relaxing setting, head over to the Springs Outdoor Pool. There was literally no one here when we stopped by to check it out. What makes this resort fantastic are the multiple activities for families. The boat tour is unique to Desert Springs. It takes guests around the man-made waterways that wind through the resort grounds, offering beautiful views of the lush landscape and wildlife. We were quite surprised to find an enormous arcade on the property. It's a fun environment which provides an exciting space for guests of all ages to enjoy a variety of games and entertainment. Kids will have fun at the miniature putting course, which was always a popular spot during our stay. There were also plenty of lawn games for families to enjoy. Don't forget to stop by Flamingo Island to see the resort's resident flamingos. The aviary is a fascinating feature that allows guests to connect with local and exotic bird species in a peaceful setting. This unique attraction offers a special experience for families and nature lovers, enhancing the resort's connection to the natural world. Hello!
The koi fish feeding happens right here at the Mikado Bridge at 9:30 in the morning. So you can feed these big koi fish. And there's a lot of them here.
The resort's day spa offers a comprehensive selection of treatments designed to refresh and rejuvenate. From soothing massages and rejuvenating facials to indulgent body treatments, you can unwind in total tranquility. There is also a shop where you can buy clothing and spa products.
Let's check out the fitness center where they have all these Peloton bikes. There's plenty of exercise machines here. Here's a Smith machine and all the dumbbells. Some more exercise machines. They have a lot of cardio equipment like these treadmills, rowing machines, some more techno gym bikes, and they have a bunch of ellipticals here. It's a very nice and large gym.
The Desert Springs Tennis Club is a top-tier destination for tennis and pickleball enthusiasts. With 13 hard courts, 3 clay courts, and 2 grass courts, it offers a variety of playing surfaces to suit every preference. Test your golf skills at the Desert Springs Golf Club, home to 2 stunning Ted Robinson-designed championship courses. Whether you're an experienced golfer or just looking to enjoy a round in a beautiful setting, these courses offer a challenging and scenic experience. If you feel like shopping, there's no need to step out of the resort as there are multiple stores on property. Whether you're looking for clothing, golf essentials, souvenirs, or just drinks and snacks, the resort has everything you need. We had an amazing stay at the JW Marriott Desert Springs. There's so much things to do and see here that we were never bored. We really enjoyed seeing all the wildlife on property, the beautiful surroundings, and the good food at Fisherman's Landing. We highly recommend this resort for families who are looking for plenty of things to do without having to leave the property. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.